They're regrouping again. Look at how many there are this time. Oh my god. So many. Birds, why don't you go away? Oh my god, there's more coming. Why? Why, birds? You're so annoying. Please. Please just go. Oh my god, more's coming. Oh my god. The bird apocalypse. What did I say? They're all going to that tree now. Beware, poop. Oh my god. They're coming. It's the apocalypse of birds. Bah, 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 bah. Don't do that. Oh my god. So that's it for this episode's Bird Apocalypse. See you next time.